हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो सब लोग? मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ। फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे एक इंग्लिश सीखने का प्रोसेस। मोस्ट पीपल थिंक दैट you need us to learn English, but the truth is you don't need more time. You just need the right daily habits. Introduce a show or 10 minutes that can change the you speak English. It is so powerful. It is so effective. In this plan, you just have to spend your 10 minutes every day, and you will be amazed to see the result. But before I share the 10 minutes plan, let me share an example. Just think about how you learn to drive the car. Can you learn the driving just watching videos? Can you learn driving by only reading books about car? No. To learn to driving, you must hold all the driving wheel. You will make mistakes. You may feel nervous, but you try again. And one day, driving the comes natural for you. Learning English works on the exam the same way. You don't though pick up fluent, otherwise you speak. You must speak and practice daily to become fluent. I have seen many students, they know grammar, they can try correct sentences, but when it comes to speaking, they cannot have a simple conversation. Why does this happen? Because when you only watch and read, your brain learns English, but your mouth stay silent. So speaking practice is very important. Now might be thinking only 10 minutes, it's too short. Listen, why I am telling 10 minutes, because everybody have that much time. You can't make excuses. We spend so many time scrolling our phones, waste our time on social media. So if you can just 10 minutes come that time to English, your speaking will be improved faster than your thinking. So there is a simple structure of practice in English for 10 minutes. I have divided into three parts. So part 1 is imitation. Imitation for 3 minutes. You need to find out a short video from YouTube or any other place. Play one sentence and then pause. Then repeat it out loud. Copy the pronunciation. Do it with 5 to 6 sentences. This method was because you train your ears and mouth together. When you imitate, you naturally pick up correct sounds and accents. You also observe new words and phrases in a natural way. Now, part 2. Part 2 is description. Description for 3 minutes. So, in this method, just have look around and find any object like your book, your pen, your cup, your bag, anything, and describe this in English as 3 minutes. For example, if you are describe about your pen, so don't just say this is a pen. Saying more, what color is it, what is the shape, what do you use it for, do you like it, why do you like it. So just speak continuously for 3 minutes. Don't overthink, use simple sentences, and keep going. Describing everyday object is a super fast exercise for improving English. Now part 3. Part 3 is role play conversation. Role play conversation for 4 minutes. It is the fastest way to improve English fluency. Just imagine someone is standing in front of you and they ask simple question like what did you do today? Tell me about family. Tell me about yourself. What is your favorite food? Why did you like it? Now you have to answer that. Speak out loud. Speak like you are having normal conversation. Do not correct yourself again and again. Just speak. Regular role play practice removes your fear of making mistakes and helps you speak smoothly without pauses. While speaking, you can also record your voice on your phone and later you can listen. You get to know hesitates and what need improvement. This this fitness is honest, and honest feedback helps you faster than anything has. Fluency does not come in one day. It's come with daily small efforts. Even if you make mistake, make them, because every mistake is a step toward fluency. The biggest mistake is now speaking. So from today, promise to I start 10 minutes in practice daily. No excuses, no overthinking. Just start. And always remember, small days, big results. English practice today only, and see the magic in just few weeks. I hope you find this video helpful. If you don't forget the like and subscribe, and also write in the comments and starting 10 minutes in this practice today. I will see you soon. Stay happy, stay care. Bye bye.